Imagine working hard every day, saving every penny, but your money is just sitting there, doing nothing. What if I told you that even with zero knowledge about investing, you could start growing wealth today? And the secret isn't just about money. It's about psychology? Welcome to Wealth Psych, the channel where we explore the psychology behind money decisions, habits, and wealth building. Today, I'm going to show you how to start investing with zero knowledge, step by step, using practical psychology tricks that make investing simple, stress-free, and actually effective. Whether you're 20, 30, or 40, this guide will help you overcome fear, confusion, and procrastination, and finally get your money working for you. Here's the truth. Most people avoid investing because they think it's complicated, risky, or requires a financial degree. But the real reason is psychological: fear of loss, analysis paralysis, and the illusion of needing perfect knowledge. The good news? You don't need a degree or years of experience to start. You just need awareness of your psychology and smart habits. Number 1. Start with your mindset first. Investing is 80% psychology and 20% finance. Your brain is wired to avoid losses, so you'll naturally hesitate to invest. Overcome this by setting small, automatic steps. For example, start with just $50 a month. Small wins build confidence and reduce fear. Number 2. Define your financial goals. Before buying a single stock or fund, ask yourself, what am I investing for? Retirement? A home? Financial freedom? Research shows people with clear, written goals are 2x more likely to succeed financially. Write them down, visualize them, and keep them visible daily. Number 3. Learn the basics with micro-learning. You don't need to master Wall Street overnight. Start with 1-2 trusted sources. Free beginner investing courses, apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Fidelity learning sections. YouTube channels that explain investing simply. Focus on actionable knowledge, not theory. Number 4. Start small with simple investments. Even $50, $100 a month can grow over time. Start with index funds or ETFs, broad market exposure, low risk. Robo-advisors for automated portfolios. Fractional shares of big companies. Psychology hack: automate contributions so you never think twice, and your brain doesn't overanalyze each move. Number 5. Avoid analysis paralysis. Most beginners fail because they over-research and never act. The 80-20 rule applies. You don't need perfect knowledge. You just need to start, learn, and adjust. Remember, even small mistakes early teach more than perfect planning later. Number 6. Track your progress and celebrate wins. Monitor your investments monthly. Even tiny gains are psychologically powerful. Celebrate small wins to reinforce positive behavior. This keeps your dopamine system engaged and builds the habit of investing. Let's recap. Start with the right mindset. Define clear financial goals. Learn basics through micro-learning. Start small with simple investments. Avoid overthinking. Track progress and celebrate wins. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market or being perfect. It's about behavior, consistency, and overcoming psychological barriers. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in the next video, we'll reveal 3 money psychology hacks that can double your savings without changing your income. Comment below, which investing step will you start today? I'll reply with a personalized tip to help you get started.